Welcome to another low life outdoors video. We all back at Frenchman Lake, where I caught my personal best out here. So we try to catch another personal best out here or whatever. Haven't caught a fish in a while, so we're gonna try to do this. We'll pose in the water over here. You know what we do while we wait. Hydrate. Let's get some. Switched over here to this side where I caught the personal best last year around this time. Cheers. Hopefully we catch some out here. God damn it.
Man, I can't get that fucking garlic smell out of my
Yeah, that thing is
nose.
potent. So let's just recast these lines, man. We ain't getting no bite. Try to catch us something for dinner tonight. Got him.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it ain't as big as my PB, but oh, no, it's a good size. Here we go, baby. I told you, no gal tayo. Ain't no PB. Oh, shit. Got me a fish. Was waiting for this. I saw my line for a second. Dang it. See what I got on here. Hopefully it is. Oh, yeah, rainbow. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Got a little secret today, though. I got a little secret I put on there this time. Yes, sir. Perfect hook set, too. Oh, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. Gotta be careful with this one. He's barely hooked. Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah. Barely hooked. Look at that. Barely hooked on the lip. Beautiful. You ready? This my chain here. Oh. Let me just get him off the hook first. Barely hooked him. Oh. Oh shit, he about to tangle up my line. Still gotta fight him. Put that off of there. We got dinner. We got dinner. Yes, sir. Sir. He broke the skunk.
Yeah.
Get that power bait back on here. Shit. That's a good size right there, too.
Perfect. Are you cooking it?
Huh?
Are you cooking it?
We doing that tinfoil. I've been wanting that for a minute. Let's get another one. Frenchman, baby. I love you, Frenchman. Love you. Best lake. Might be the best lake in California. You know what I mean? Add weight.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect timing. That was.
Oh, did you see that one jump? Oh, dude, you missed it. He jumped hella out the water. Right next to the shore.
Dude, right there, yeah. Hella close.
Dude, he really came out the water, too. I saw him. That shit was crazy. I knew it was new, boy. I knew something was off. I smelled in the air. Something was off in the smell in the air, dude. I'm gonna recast this one because I don't like that spot. Too close to the Oh shit. Hopefully I did not cross my line. Oh, finally got one on the board. So we have to cheers to that. This is some local Reno bourbon. Cheers. It's cold out here, so my nose running. Trying to catch another one for dinner. Hopefully you can steal our power bait and run on with it. Alright, he's not on there no more. Yeah, check it out. Dang. Yep, took it. They out here on the power bait, so check out.
Soon.
See that one hit. So we're gonna rebait. Let's get back out there. Yeah, I've been using this little garlic scented little gel, put it on my power bait and my worms. So that's what the secret I was using to catch these fish. Hopefully it made a difference. But we're gonna see if we can catch some more or not. Or it might just not be no fish around here. That's a good worm right there. I don't know why they don't want it. That's the camera. Yeah, my power bait. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna catch it. Dang it. If I set up the camera and it took it already. We cast. Get that back out there for a little 15 minutes. Get on out of here. Cook that fish. Get the carne asada. Get some tacos. And traditional tinfoil fish. Be back out there. Start feeling it, feeling it.
Nope, it's gone.
Oh, it came off? Yeah, I thought we had another one.
Oh man.
Other fish gutted. We getting the crab for the grill. We get on it. I sealed it up. We got this Cajun two-step. Yeah. Like pepper. Garlic powder. Paprika. Stuff that big. Use it. Stuff that thing. It's truffle butter. And then we'll flip it over and we'll do the same thing. Then we'll wrap it up. Build it right underneath, right there. That's good to go right there. Alright, we'll catch y'all when we get that grill ready. What we got going on out here? Look at the chorizo. We got the trout that I just cooked right there. Yeah. We got this carne asada. We're gonna go over there. We making tacos and all that.
Reggaeton on.
Yeah. With the Colombian reggaeton. You know, that's our music. What's this? Sucker on it. It's actually Peso Pluma, but
Colombian.
close enough. The carne asada. Carne asada. Yeah, wooden cutting board. Look legit. The tortillas on it. There you go. They're good. Some chorizos. Chorizo, got the fish going on. That fish almost done. Fish, buddy. Get some more tacos. Tacos. Cheers. Cheers that up. Okay. It's better than anything you get in America out here. Truly tastes a little expired. That. Some hit right there. A little sauce. See what's up. Dip it in that butter. Get plenty to cook. Let's try with that sauce right here. Oh hell yeah. That sauce right there. Dip it in sauce. Sauce right here. Yeah. I'm good. But with the trip right there.